Hey guys, what is up? We are playing another Dip.io. This game is pretty amazing. I want to show you this. Melonma. This is the tale of, let's say, Parrots. This is the tale of Parrots. Yep, it is. Oh, okay. Go. So we want bullet speed. Boo. Pew. I'm not ready for those kind of guys. Okay, let's keep getting those. Okay, Parrots. Okay, Parrots. You can do it, Parrots. Parrot! FDSA guy, go away. No, Macca. Ah! Oh, those guys are everywhere. Bullet damage and bullet pen. Yeah. Man, that guy's bullets are fat. He does so much damage. Oh, kill him with kindness. Oh, damn. A secretary. Ah, hit him. Yes, hit him. One more shot. Oh my god, jackass. Oh my god. Oh, I need health regen. Oh, this is getting laggy. Oh, I'm getting scared. Oh my god. Ah, no, Macca. No, don't ruin my day. Please. I'm gonna go for the twins. Oh, I got a sniper. He can one-shot me now. Run. Let's get max health. Oh. More shot at me, I'm dead. More shot at me, I'm dead. I'm dead meat. Number one. Taiwan number one. Okay, let's try again. You spawn at... Oh, I get it. Oh, so this is like a saved game. You get to start at like any level? Like the level you let off at? So basically, oh, your level goes down every time you die. I died on purpose, just tell you guys that. So let's go. Body damage. That's a chicken. Oh my god. Get out of here. That's a chicken. Get these guys. Okay. Okay. Boop. Oh my god. Max health. You suck, man. You actually suck. This guy sucks. I gotta work on getting those guys first. Pew. Oh. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. Let's just ram into these guys. Surprise! Okay, keep grabbing. YOLO! Pew! Max health. That guy's on fire. Literally on fire. Crush. No, you're not my crush. Sin, what, 10,000? Go away. Oh, these guys are too good. I can't. Oh my gosh, when am I gonna level up? Please just let me live. If you love me, let me go. Oh, it's a chicken. It's a chicken. Let me chicken go. Chickens are tasty. chicken. 19,879 players on this server, or is that just... no wonder it's so laggy. You piece of doll. Is he supposed to say diao? Okay, guys, I suck at this game.